Hi berries, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna be showing you how to make lightning face scrub, but before that, if you are yet to subscribe this channel, kindly do so now so you won't get to miss out on any of my upcoming videos. So let's get started. So in making this lightning face scrub, you will need brown sugar. Brown sugar helps in exfoliating dead cells from the outer skin. It hydrates and moisturizes the skin. It keeps the skin soft and glowy. It also helps in fading scars and it lightens the skin. You'll need turmeric powder, which helps in fading dark spots, scars, eczema. It protects the skin from sun damage, it lightens and glows the skin. You need coffee powder, and I'm using Nescafe coffee powder for this. Coffee powder helps in tightening the skin, it reduces wrinkles and fine lines. You need camwood powder, which unifies the skin tone, it reduces fine lines and wrinkles, it restores skin elasticity, it fades acne and it glows the skin. You will need oat powder, which helps in correcting skin discoloration, it fades dark spots, it lightens and glows the skin, it also absorbs excess oils from the skin. You need honey, which moisturizes the skin, it helps in preventing wrinkles, it treats acne and lots more. You need white licorice powder, which reduces skin irritation and redness, it lightens the skin and reduces age spots. You need lemon oil, which lightens the skin, it reduces premature aging, it fades dark spots and acne. You will need white now triple action oil. White now triple action oil is infused with beta carotene. It contains vitamin E, fruit acids and natural plant extracts to help fade out skin imperfections. It hydrates and whitens the skin. So firstly, in a clean bowl, I'm putting 3 sachets of my coffee powder, which is 3 teaspoons. Next, I'm putting 1 tablespoon of licorice powder. I'm now putting 1.5 tablespoon of oat powder. I'm putting 1 tablespoon of camwood powder. Next, I'm putting 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. I'm now putting 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder, after which I'll mix. So after mixing, I'm putting 1 tablespoon of honey, I'm putting 1 tablespoon of whitener oil, lastly I'm putting 1 tablespoon of lemon oil, then I'm mixing. And this is our lightening face scrub. You can use this scrub 3 times a week, but if you have a sensitive face, you can scrub once a week. This scrub can be used by all skin types. There are no side effects. If you want it runny, you can add more honey to this. This lightening face scrub helps in fading dark spots. It lightens the face, it glows and unifies the face. It helps in getting rid of wrinkles, fine lines, and it smoothens the face, so you really should try it out. This is all for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you found it helpful. If you liked it, do give this video a thumbs up, share with your friends, and also help this channel grow by clicking on the subscribe button below. And when you do, don't forget to click on the notification bell icon beside it to get notified when next I upload a new video. That's way you won't get to miss out on any of my upcoming videos. See you all in my next video. Bye.